my 2007 Mustang GT CS. For those of you who don't know, that's the California Special. So it's essentially a regular Mustang GT with a premium pack, and instead of the regular leather seats, it's got a gray inset and a couple other small additives, different dashboard, and it's actually got a GT 500 style front and rear bumper, which I'm sure you just saw in the last clip. But this car was previously owned by a younger kid, and if you saw in the last video of me putting some headlights in this thing, some of the work was questionable. You know, instead of using butt connectors and what's called heat shrink, the just electrical tape to connect them, and that was the final product. So I've begun to question the maintenance on this thing, so I'm just gonna go through and change out all the fluids. So I'm warming up the rear end right now, just getting the fluids moving around, and we'll pull this thing in the garage and change out the differential fluid. Fresh new WeatherTech floor mats, courtesy of Sarah. Sit the Chevelle looking fresh. Let's chock these wheels, baby. Need more light. That's better. All right, now that we got the car jacked up, got good access, I got a 1/2-inch socket and ratchet. Picked up one of these fluid pumps, I should say. According to the interwebs and O'Reilly, the gear oil for this bad girl is 75W140, and Ford's a bunch of jerks because they make you use 2.1 quarts, which means you got to buy 3. And then some gasket maker. Make sure you get the one for differentials, and then Ford stuff goes faster, I guess. It's additive friction modifier, whatever the heck that means. So let's get this stuff out of the way. We will put a drain pan underneath. Might already be dripping because I loosened it up. Oh, nope, we're good. And then we'll see what schmetz comes out of this thing and be back in business. Hey guys, it's me. I'm underneath. We are underneath. This is the drive shaft, and I got a ratchet under here. I'm going to loosen up the fill plug just to make sure we don't have any issues. It cracked right loose, and it just uses a regular extension. So, for those of you wondering what the heck I was talking about, right behind drive shaft pinion, and then right up where my light is, sort of on the back side facing that way. If you put an extension in, a 3/4 inch extension, 3/8 extension, you should be able to loosen up the fill plug. Not the most convenient, but not too bad. All right, the old Impacto.
Yes, my impact chuck is broken. I'll probably drop this in here at least once.
355. This one right here is 3 out of 8. Come on, do the thing. Alright. Nope, I just broke it instead. Okay. These things are loosey-goosey. I think they say 33 foot-pounds, which if you go to the gym is light work. Let's see. All right. God, so strong. It must be a Mustang guy. Too big for this. Can you grab that orange little hammer up there?
It's a mallet.
The mallet. What you call me? Oh, I was supposed to leave the top bolt in. Shiza. Let's do that real quick. Otherwise, you'll have a splish splash. All right. How do I look from this angle?
Beautiful.
Okay. I hope there's fluid in here. Oh, she's dripping. That's what we want. Oh, it looks good.
Oh my god.
That's great. That's great news. No chunks. Oh, they must have changed it within the last year, 12 years. Cool. I don't know much, but that did not look like 2.1 quarts that drained out of there. All right, let's make this all cleaned up and beautiful now. That's better. Used a Scotch-Brite pad and some brake clean. So we're gonna go ahead and clean off the backside of the diff now. All right, it's all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and put this gasket maker on the back of the differential cover. All right, let's go ahead and slap this on there. See if I can do this without dropping it. Not perfect, but not terrible. All right, we're back. It's an hour later. We're going to climb under here and torque these puppies down. Like this might. All right, she's all set. Doesn't appear to be any leaks. We're going to take it for a drive and go get some transmission fluid, and we'll see you in the next one.